have just about 30 branches in all Poland. We cooperate, as I said before, with 400 suppliers from all over the world, and our position is we are in the fifth biggest Polish companies in the market of spare parts. We will appreciate to see all your points. We've seen and talked about warehouse quality department, research. So it was very impressive for us to be here and have an occasion, chance to be the part of Sampa here.
I think Sampa success contribute with huge range of products. Also the quality, I think especially for suspension parts and brake caliper parts, they win in the market between another suppliers on this level, we could say. But the most important, I think, is the availability for parts and realizations for us about orders. Yes.
The point is for us as a salesman that you have you reach the point between price and quality. So for us it's really important to sell to our customers products which are in good price and we better quality than the most of popular brands which are right now on the market. Yeah. So you have it.
And I do thank you for being here. As I said all the time, that companies are the first position is true, but people do companies, and you have got a great staff. So thank you for being here. Thank you for inviting us, and we would like to be. We are strong but now after the meeting we are much more stronger in our partnership.
Now my bed should smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why, oh why. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why, oh why. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why, oh why. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new.